A portal to 1984, located in a real residential building in Sofia. This isn't a look but don't touch museum. It's a fully interactive 1980s apartment that teleports you back to the final decade of communist Bulgaria. Meet the Petrovis. You explore the home as a guest of the fictional Petrovi family. Through a detailed audio guide, you learn about their daily lives, their secrets, and how they navigated life behind the Iron Curtain. The sacred sektia. The living room is anchored by the sektia, a massive wall unit that was the pride of every household. It holds everything from state-approved literature and fine china to forbidden Western trinkets. Total immersion. You're encouraged to make yourself at home. You can put on the family slippers, rummage through their dresser drawers, flip through vintage magazines, and even dial the heavy rotary phone. East meets West. The flat perfectly captures the era's contradictions. In the teenager's room, Soviet ideals sit side by side with posters of Western rock stars, showing the dual reality of youth culture in the 80s. Socialist high-tech. The kitchen showcases the status symbols of the time: the Miraz frost fridge and the Mekta dream stove. These weren't just appliances. They were hard-won items. Families often waited years to acquire. A taste of the past. The experience often ends with a literal taste of nostalgia. You might try a slice of bread with sharina sal, traditional spices, or a vintage-style soda, a simple but iconic finish to your time travel.